Hi everyone! Welcome to How Ines Rolls. We have been so inspired, or maybe I should say I've been so inspired by all of the YouTubers that are going out to the Dollar Tree and looking at new fall treats. I can't wait to show you I love fall too. Can't wait to show you what the Dollar Tree has for fall. Look at all of this stuff. I love it. These are awesome. And look at these. Oh, okay, so I have some ideas for these kinds of things. What'd you say? You can pick out one thing. And look at these ribbons, you guys. These are gonna make some awesome wreaths. Do you want you want that one?
Yeah.
That's so cute. You can even work on it today.
Yay.
And I think I'm gonna get some of this burlap ribbon. I don't know, I'll think about this. So not only do they have lots of pumpkins here for centerpieces, they have things that you can create. Look at these little felt leaves. I'm loving those. Those are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at these little twinkle lights. That is awesome. Okay, I already have some of these from last year. I love them. Ooh, I think we might get, this might be a winner. Oh my gosh, look at these cute little signs. You could put them out in the front yard. They have little stakes on the end. And that is super cute. Farm fresh. It does have a black background, so that may be closer for October. Oh, that's cute. They also have it in apples. Okay, so I have one of these from last year that I'll be pulling out pretty soon. And I left it as is, but this would be very easy to just paint over if you wanted to do that. And these are so cute, you guys. Dollar Tree is stepping up on their signs for sure. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Last year, these galvanized metal words, and I loved them. Ooh, maybe I'll get another. What do I see in here? They are velvety pumpkins. Oh, I love them. And there's some really jeweled ones. These are so pretty. You guys don't have to spend a lot of money to make a little centerpiece. So affordable, and oh my gosh, look at all of these fall flowers. Okay, so I'm loving some of these different colored ones. Like there's some purples, and look at this pink. It's kind of like a dusty pink. Oh, I'm loving that. Can't wait to show you what we got from the Dollar Tree. And mostly I'll just show you the things that we got for fall. But they do have those lemon waters that I love so much. So I got like a few of them and a little bit of snacks. But I'll show you all the fall stuff that we got. So here's what I got from the Dollar Tree. I got a couple of these. I'm kind of liking these like scrubber sponges. So, and then I found these microfiber washcloths. So I will let you know what I think about this and washing off my makeup, because I saw somebody on Instagram loving microfiber washcloths that I bet were pretty pricey. So I'm going to try those because I think it's the same material. And so these I found, okay, I'm going to paint this because, you know, we don't even drink here. So, but I am going to try to use that for some DIY stuff. And then these were super cute. So I'm loving that all of the fall stuff is starting to come out. So I might keep one as is, but I have some ideas because I was inspired by other YouTubers. So I'll show you when I get that going. And then I love these last year. These, they say thankful, harvest, and welcome. These galvanized kind of signs. They had these last year and they're great in wreaths. So I made a couple of wreaths that I put them in and love them. I got these flowers, you guys. So this pink is like a fall pink, and I am loving it. So I'm gonna try to find where I could put those at, and see if I can start putting in some other fall colors with it, or it can be a good transition color. And then I found these DIY stickers. Thought those were kind of cute. Can't wait to use them, and I'll probably have to paint them. And also some pumpkins. I think those are super cute. I also got some paper bags that we could use for the classroom, and you know, besides the pink flowers, I got these ones. These ones are pretty fall. I just love them. So let's see where I put them. I ended up getting this wreath frame. I have an idea. I'm going to kind of show you a little bit, but super easy. I did get those ones. Those ones are cute, right? I got to figure out where to put them. Just a couple of things like these batteries and some dry erase markers. These things are inexpensive, and these can go in like remotes or like kids' toys, which I don't really mind if they go out too often. A stencil brush, and then of course Ezra got this, and I love these velvet pumpkins. I just thought they were so cute. And then this little fall succulent. Now I have some other succulents, but they're not in this fall color, so I just wanted to try that out. So I am super excited with all of this, and I'm going to show you some really easy DIY things that I've purchased already with the from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just starting to put together just a really easy DIY. So all I'm doing is making some little legs. I've just used, where did I put it? This E6000. I got it at Walmart. It's just a few bucks. And it's kind of like a super glue, really tacky. And so I'm going to paint these, my gray chalk paint. And then I took, remember these two signs, and I glued them side by side and, you know, matched up the buffalo print, or the buffalo check, sorry. So you can see here. And I'm just going to give it a light painting. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And ta-da! So it's not perfect. You can see it's like not even on the counter, but that's hopefully going to be the back side. So I just kind of made it into a little tiny tabletop. So that should be like, you know, maybe a little area that I can put some cute little fall design, or some, who knows, some pink flowers would go on that. That would be so pretty. And then I put two more vertical because I have some plans for this. This is going to fit underneath my family picture that I did with the watercolor. And this is like the perfect like length and width. It's like this wide. It's not very wide. To do a little sign, maybe some like quote or a scripture or just something kind of fun. So I'm going to also paint that top maybe like gray. I haven't decided yet, but you kind of get the idea. It's good. It's at the Dollar Tree, and I'm so glad I got them. So I wanted to show you a little bit what I did with this sign. The video that I already took of this, it flipped, so I'm going to redo this. So this was a sign that they had at the Dollar Tree. It was like breast cancer awareness, and it was all pink. So what I decided to do was just paint it with some chalk paint. What I did was just use some of that galvanized lettering. Just kind of, you can see the glue just kind of seeping out. It's not perfect in any way. And those were the stickers of the pumpkins. Didn't that turn out really cute? All I did was switch out those purpley flowers for more fall flowers, and I put the harvest sign on top. This is our downstairs bathroom, just for our guests and the preschoolers use it. So I love that. That was so cute. I got last year. So I am super excited. Shouts fall to me. What do you think? So I have above my sink that little buffalo check table I just made, and look at those cutie little pumpkins and that cutie little Ezra back there. So this is a really good transition. It's not quite fall, but it's coming, And so I just thought I could put that there for now until I start getting out all the fall colors, probably sometime next month. But it's back to school, which means I am looking forward to it. And don't you just love that little teal pumpkin? Oh my goodness. And these little velvets, so cute. And I wanted to briefly show you what I ended up doing. So that long, the two put together, all I did was write blessed. Now, I'm not in love with that it's dark. Like I think it might need a white chalk paint, like a pen. But for now, I think it's okay because I think in the future, I may just paint that white and do some other saying on there too. So I'm not, with it being $1, it just seems to fit perfect right here. And so now we're just getting a little table that'll make it complete. So cute, right? Like, I think it turned out great. Thanks so much for going with us to the Dollar Tree. We just love this time of year as it's starting to transition from back to school to fall. And it's not quite ready to put out all the fall stuff, but it's getting there. And so just a couple of quick DIYs, just a couple of little splashes of color, a tiny little bit of pumpkin, and there you have it. I have some fall stuff. So I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you are anticipating fall. It's one of my favorite seasons, and let me know what your favorite season is. I'm so grateful that you've stopped by. Grateful for all of you and all of your kind comments. And stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. I wonder what else I can create.